You know, all my friends have been telling me about the Snap-on Smile, and ever since I've seen them, they look fabulous. They come back and they're smiling all the time, they have confidence, and I just love being around them. And what they tell me is that you go in and it takes 15 minutes for them to make the mold, and in 2 weeks they got their smile and they're ready to go. Snap-on Smile, you can get in and snap.
Snap-on Smile is something that just basically snaps on. Like I said, it comes in a wide array of sizes, shapes, and colors. We can match Snap-on Smile to your existing color, or we can give you a new brighter color to enhance your smile. Oftentimes patients come in and they have a missing tooth. What can we do with the missing tooth in a week to 10 days to fill that space in and have you on your way to a more beautiful smile? We can fabricate a Snap-on Smile, which, when placed over your teeth, your existing teeth with the missing space fills in your missing space. You can have just one made if you only want to improve the appearance of the top of your top teeth, or you can have it made for the bottom, or you can have it made for the top and the bottom. Most patients choose to have it made for the top and the bottom to give them that one and only beautiful smile that they desire and want. So if you want that great and wonderful smile, call the number that you see on the screen.
Since Dr. Woodruff introduced me to Snap-ons, my smile has come alive.
Hi, Rich Fisher, and welcome to Health Resource Media Network, HRMN. We're so glad that you were able to join us today. Now, have you ever wanted to have that perfect smile, that affordable perfect smile? Well, don't touch that remote, because we're going to show you how you can get that done at a price that you can afford. Joining us today on our program is Dr. William Woodruff from West Bloomfield, and he has got a brand new product that is going to revolutionize beautiful smiles. I'll let you tell us what it is, Dr. Woodruff.
Snap-on Smile is just what the name implies. It's a snap-on appliance that fits right over your teeth, and you instantly have a beautiful smile. That's what Snap-on Smile is.
Well, obviously, Dr. Woodruff, we have a lot of questions for you today on this fascinating new product. Doctor, how can you get a Snap-on Smile?
Well, to get a Snap-on Smile, you come into the dental office and we take an impression of your mouth, and from the impression we make a mold of your mouth, which is this right here. Now, the mold is sent to the lab, and at the lab, that's where they fabricate the appliance, the Snap-on Smile appliance. The Snap-on Smile is made to fit over the mold of your teeth, just like that. And that's your Snap-on Smile.
Dr. Woodruff, is everybody a candidate for Snap-on Smile?
No, not everyone, but we estimate anywhere from 90 to 95% of our potential patients are candidates for a Snap-on Smile.
I love Snap-on Smile because I can put them on and off, you know. I can go out to dinner. With Snap-on, you can eat and you can enjoy them, and they are wonderful. I recommend them highly to my friends. Get over to Dr. Woodruff and he will give you a smile that you have never had before.
Joining us today on our program is Dr. William Woodruff from West Bloomfield, and he has got a brand new product that is going to revolutionize beautiful smiles. Thanks so much for being with us, Doctor. We appreciate it. What would disqualify somebody from being a candidate?
Not enough healthy teeth to make a Snap-on Smile to adequately fit.
Well, with all the talk over the past year, especially over the past year, about veneers, we all know that that is a very expensive procedure. your procedure, your product, is very affordable.
Yes, very affordable. The price varies from $700 to $900 per quadrant, meaning the upper arch $700 to $900 or the lower arch $700 to $900. It just depends on your dentition and the structure of your mouth.
What about color?
Color, we can match about 20 different shade colors. So we have a chart and a shade guide, and we take the chart and the shade guide and we match it with the color that we think will adequately fit your particular complexion and dentition.
So I think a very important thing, at least for most people, would be they certainly don't want people saying, oh, look at you, look at how white your teeth are and they're all straight. In other words, you don't want them to really notice that you had extensive work done.
No, that's why when we send the case to the lab, we have a prescription that we send along with the case, and we mark any defects or any shading that we may want to do to make it actually look real, look at not artificial, but make it look like it's a part of you.
What about maintenance, Dr. Woodruff? Are they easy for a patient to maintain?
Very easy. You take care of it as you would your teeth. You take them actually out of your mouth, and with the assistance of a toothbrush, you brush them and clean them as you would your regular teeth. We also recommend that you soak them overnight, once or twice a week, in a solution that will get any bacterial deposits that may accumulate.
And you certainly recommend that they continue to brush their real teeth.
Yes, we do. We don't want you to forget about your real teeth. They're important too. You got to realize that these teeth are underneath the Snap-on Smile, and these teeth do require proper oral hygiene.
We talked about people that could be a candidate for this procedure and people that maybe should not do it. What about age limits? Can children have this procedure done?
No, not children. We say you have to have your complete dentition in. So by the age of 16, 17, you have all your permanent teeth, and you can be a candidate for it at that time.
Our guest today, Dr. William Woodruff from West Bloomfield, and we're talking Snap-on Smile. And we'll be right back with more.
Snap-on Smile, as I said, is very affordable. It can range in price anywhere from $700 to $900 for the top and the bottom. You can have just one made if you only want to improve the appearance of the top of your top teeth, or you can have it made for the bottom, or you could have it made for the top and the bottom. Most patients choose to have it made for the top and the bottom to give them the one and only beautiful smile that they desire and want.
As with a lot of dental patients, Dr. Woodruff, the first question that comes to their mind, pain. Is there any pain associated with this procedure?
No, that's what's great about this. There's no drilling, no needles. Only thing that you have to have done is an impression taken, which is very easy. An impression takes 5-10 minutes, and you finish.
And that's it. Within 2 weeks, possibly, you're going to have a Snap-on Smile that you're going to love.
Yes, within 7 to 10 days, you have a new and beautiful smile.